Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you the correct way to use straps. First, you're going to loop them through each other in opposite directions like this. Then you're going to put them over your wrist with your palm facing up. You're going to slide the strap between your thumb and forefinger like this. You're going to do the same on the opposite hand. Palm up. Get it nice and snug and tight. Then we're going to start by wrapping the strap around the bar by going under the bar, not over. You want to go under and towards you. You're going to wrap it around a couple of times. Then we're going to grab it and we're going to wrench it really tight as if you're turning a motorcycle throttle. We're going to do the same thing with the other one. Now with this one, we have to use one hand. You're just going to loop it under the thumb and forefinger. Wrap it around a couple of times, and then same thing, grip and wrench it nice and tight until you have a good solid grip and all the slack is out of the wrist strap. And then from there, we're good to go. I hope you found that helpful.